Hi everyone, DeRollo Nixon from Nixon Disability Law coming to you again as part of our Veterans Month campaign where we're sharing 30 days worth of videos, okay, that talk about history, trivia, and important information for and about veterans and how those guys and gals serve our communities, and also we provide practical tips to help veterans and those who support them build stronger VA disability benefits claims. So today we're still talking about the relationship between VA benefits and gun rights. Okay, here are some more things you need to know when it comes to strategy, right? So if someone comes to me and he has a concern, they've always been male thus far, okay, has a concern about his guns and how that affects his claims, I may look at, what he's planning to apply for, right? And decide, okay, you may not wish to bring this claim then, you may not wish it on record at this federal agency that, hey, here's what you're experiencing in terms of your depression and anxiety, okay? So one of the other strategies is trying to find an alternative route to getting that same level of rating, okay? And so picking a different condition and trying to get that rated, knowing that that may get to 70%, or picking two other conditions and talking about those, okay? So someone may have depression and anxiety, sleep problems, and headaches, right? So I may want to bring just an insomnia claim and a headache claim, and we may end up in the same place that we would have gotten to if we had just said, the person has depression and has a cervical condition. Okay, so helping you pick and choose which claims to bring and which claims to leave off the table. This is another way we can protect your gun rights, okay? What else is there? Okay, what are the other means we can use to help someone protect their gun rights? Well, one of the things I don't have a problem talking about, okay, is, well, you may need to change your geography. I have zero problem saying that. My wife and I, we changed our geography in 2020. We moved 2,300 miles away to Arizona for a better life. We moved 2,300 miles away with 2 kids and the dog during COVID for a better life. So I don't have a problem advising other Americans to do the same, okay? There are jurisdictions that aren't friendly to veterans. There are jurisdictions that aren't friendly to those who love their rights, constitutional and otherwise. And so you may need to move, and I don't have a problem as an American citizen telling you that. So, because here's what I don't want. I don't want a veteran who's hurting, who's in a place, having to deal with state workers who are on the warpath, as it were, okay, over what to me is a non-issue or should be a non-issue. That's what I'm trying to avoid, okay? I want better outcomes across the board for veterans, and I want them in every single case with veterans. And so if better outcomes are going to be had because you go from, say, California to Arizona, then you should do so. Just don't vote the same way when you get here. Thanks.